Imagine you bought the number one meme coin on the Tron Network before most traders did. That means you should have been in huge and massive profit now. What average traders do is that they use DEX to trade meme coin, to trade new coins or new projects. Why top traders use trading bot. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Sunbot to trade Tron Network meme coins. Okay, this is what makes super or top trader super fast and early. So if you want to be super fast and early, hit the subscription button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that when next I publish new alpha, new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, next, what do you expect? What should you expect? The first thing that you should expect in this video is you'll be learning how to set up Sunbot, how to set it up, and how to connect it to your wallet. Okay, the Tronlink wallet, of course. The second thing that you learn in this video is you learn how to use Sunbot to trade. Okay, and you also learn how to withdraw your profit. Guys, are you ready? Let's get started. Okay, so Sunbot is a bot on Telegram. It's built on Telegram, like bot on Telegram, how it works. Okay, so what you need to do is to give it command and it will execute your trade in split seconds. Your trade will be executed. Okay, so this is how Sunbot look like. There's a link. The correct link is in the description section. Click it and it will bring you to if you have a Telegram account, you can use it. Just click it to bring you to this page. Okay, then let's set it up. To set it up, you write backward slash or forward slash. You write start. Okay, so this is the command that you need to give it. Okay, so we have it here. Now you can see buy, sell, manage, community, refer friends, backup bot, current wallet, management, settings, and so on and so forth. Yeah, but the first thing we do is we will set it up so that when we place a trade, it will go without failure. Okay, so click on setting. So this is setting. On this setting, we have a lot of information. Look at auto buy, slippage configuration, button configuration, sync position, profit and loss card on sell. So let's get started. Auto buy means when you paste a contract address, it should buy automatically, but that is fine. We don't need that, yeah, because it will make you to make mistakes. So we'll leave that out. We disable it. This disable. So it's disabled. Click on disable. Slippage configuration means you can buy. Okay, you want to buy. Okay, you want to be faster and you are ready to pay 10%, 20%, 30% of fee to be faster than other traders. And the sell slippage also means you are ready to pay a fee to be faster in your selling or trade. As you sell your trade, sell your coin, you want to be faster than other, you are ready to pay a fee. That's what it means. So you can set it between 10 to 30 depending on the situation. But let's set the buy to 15. Okay, when you come here, you see that it's now 15. Let's set the sell to 5. Okay, when you come here, you see that we have the buy 15 and the sell is 5%. Okay, all these other functions we don't really need them. Okay, we don't really need them. So this is what we need. So when we are buying, we use X. Okay, right. So now that we have set it up, how do we now link this Sunbot account? How do we fund it and how do we link it to the wallet? Okay, so that you can manage your trade very well from your wallet. Okay, so to do that, okay, you come to this wallet again. You click on current wallet. Okay, when you click on current wallet, it will show you information. First information is the address, is your address. Second information is the this is the balance. We don't have anything. This is a fresh wallet. This is for educational purpose. Then so you can click on deposit and deposit. then you can export private key and seed. This is where we are coming to. That means you want to link this current address, you want to link it up to your wallet so that you can manage it as part of the wallet you have. So you click on export. Okay, you know, ordinarily you want to show your private key, but we are doing it because it is for educational purpose. We have copied it. Go to Tronlink. If you don't know how to use Tronlink or how to install it, there's a video in the description section. You see a video guide on how to install and use Tronlink. Check it out. When you come to this place, click on this plus icon. It will show you import wallet. Click on import wallet, then paste that private key that was copied. Paste it here. Done. So click on next. So click on, we write the name that you want. The gen. Let me write the gen here. Okay, the gen. So let's put the password. Sun 1000. Enter it again. Sunbot 1000. Okay, import private key. We are importing private key. Wow, we have the private key imported. So the next thing to do is to fund this bot wallet, is to fund it with TRX token. So what you need to do is to buy it on any exchange, on any centralized exchange. Like I will be using Bybit, then send it to this place. Okay, so I'll copy the address. I'm going to Bybit now. So on my Bybit, I have I have TRX. Let's click on it. I have TRX 63 TRX. Then I'll paste the address. Okay, paste the address. Then you confirm if it is correct. GLZC. That is correct. So I'm withdrawing everything. I've clicked on withdraw. I'm trying to get code. Okay, I'm inputting code. Okay, I've sent it. So it will take some time for it to arrive. It has arrived. When you click on refresh, you see that the TRS token has arrived. So the next thing we need to do is to get a contact address and buy a meme coin. So to do this, let's go to Dex2. Let's go to Dex2, and okay, there's a token called Rock. Okay, it's on Tron. So this is a token called Rock. So we can buy this token. So we copy the contact address and go to this place, go to the Sunbot and paste it. Okay, so we have pasted it. So it will show us all the information. This is the ticker, this is the contact address, and it's listed on SunSwap. This is only for the market cap is 1.3, and the liquidity is 105,000. So we are buying X. We are buying this X amount. Let's say we are buying 15X amount. Okay, transaction confirmed. We have bought this number of Rock. We have bought it. You can see that, you can see all the information. Then, okay, you can refresh to see the number of coins that you have, to see if you are making profit or you are not making profit. Okay, so once this is done, and let's say you have bought and you are in profit and you want to take your profit, you can come to this place and sell to 25%. You can sell 100%. You can sell X%. Let's say X%. So we are selling 100%. Let's click on 100. Okay, it's initiating sell. Okay, wow, confirmation. We have sold Rock, and this is what we have. We have sold our Rock, although we didn't make profit, but because this just for demonstration. So you need to wait before you can check whether you have made profit. Okay, guys, if you find this content valuable and helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel. Subscribe, like, and comment. Now, when you subscribe, you support my work, and by supporting my work, you encourage me to create more content. And when you comment, like, and share, Google show this content to many people, and that will help many people to also know this information. Okay, if you have not joined CoinDollar community, you can join the CoinDollar community. On Telegram. It's a community where we give alpha so that you can make money in crypto every day. Also, there's a similar content here on how to use sunpump.meme and related content that has to do with the Tron network. Check it out and you'll find them very helpful.